This is the interesting part of the whole entire trip. You good?
Yeah, go over there.
Everyone like crawling right now. We are hacking.
How much more of this we gotta do?
Look at the line.
And it's difficult hacking. You know, I see we are hacking here. My wife is way up there. And my wife is like worrying about me right now. She's like saying, baby, you gotta be careful. I told her, yeah. Everybody crying, everybody is hacking right now. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. You made it! Yay! Yay! You made it! We are hacking right now.
Once in a lifetime experience, I don't want to